Deciding to move to another country is a big deal. It's exciting and a little scary, and it involves a lot of careful planning. Moving to a new country can open up amazing opportunities and experiences. Still, it's essential to understand the different aspects of the move, like the culture and all the practical stuff, before you go. To help people and families get ready for an international move, I've put together a checklist. This checklist covers everything you need to think about, from adjusting to a new way of life to dealing with all the legal stuff. Think of this video as your trusty guide, ready to help you smoothly transition from living in the US to your new home abroad. Preparing for the big move. When getting ready for a big foreign move, it's important to make a list of the steps you need to take. To begin, take a moment to clarify the primary motivation behind your move. Whether you're relocating for career opportunities, seeking an adventure, or pursuing another aspiration, having a clear understanding of your why will serve as a guiding compass throughout the process. Following this, examine comprehensive research about potential countries and their myriad offerings. Consider factors such as financial prospects, cultural dynamics, and climate. Remember, you won't be merely visiting. You'll be building a life there. Consequently, it's crucial to make informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. Ensure that your visa not only meets the requirements, but also covers the entire duration of your stay. Tackle the logistical aspects by organizing vital documents like academic records and birth certificates. This step helps to streamline administrative processes and avoids unnecessary hurdles. Open a local bank account and familiarize yourself with the local currency to build a strong financial foundation in your new home. Understanding the nuances of currency, including denominations and exchange rates, will facilitate smoother financial transactions. Plus, stay vigilant about tax implications. It might not be the most exciting task, but it's a critical one to confirm you don't encounter unexpected tax issues. Healthcare is a paramount consideration. Familiarize yourself with the healthcare system in your new destination, understanding whether it's predominantly public, private, or a blend of both. Procuring comprehensive health insurance before your move is vital to safeguard your well-being. Verify your vaccination status to ensure you're up to date with any necessary immunizations. By meticulously preparing in advance and addressing these fundamental aspects, you'll be setting a robust foundation for a seamless transition into your new life abroad. Always keep in mind that careful planning and careful thinking at each stage of this transformative journey are the keys to success. Navigating the practical aspects. Securing housing ahead of time. When you're gearing up for a major international relocation, making decisions about housing is a pivotal step. It's often recommended, especially if you're new to the area, to begin by renting a home. Renting allows you to get acquainted with your new surroundings before making a more permanent commitment. Start by researching different neighborhoods and locations to identify the one that aligns with your preferences. Understanding your ideal surroundings is important whether you're looking for a quiet hideaway or a lively, busy neighborhood. Prioritize your necessities when packing, and think about storing the remainder of your possessions until you've moved somewhere. Inquire about employment. Depending on the nature of your move, employment might already be a settled matter. However, if you're on the lookout for new job opportunities, take the time to explore the local job market and potential openings. In some cases, language barriers can pose challenges in the workplace. To address this, consider utilizing translation apps or enrolling in language courses to bridge the communication gap. Connecting with fellow expatriates and local professionals within your field can be a valuable source of job leads and insights. Education, if it's a requirement. If you're relocating with children, the education aspect is of paramount importance. Conduct thorough research to familiarize yourself with the local educational system and available options. This includes exploring local institutions as well as international schools. And if homeschooling aligns with your plans, consider this avenue. It's essential to provide your children with stability by maintaining routines and getting them involved in extracurricular activities, which can help them make friends and adapt more smoothly to their new life. Shipping and relocation. The decision of whether to transport your belongings to your new destination or start fresh is a significant one. Some opt for a minimalist approach, embracing the idea of a fresh start when moving abroad. If you plan to bring pets along, it's crucial to be well informed about any quarantine and vaccination requirements to ensure their smooth transition. Lastly, as you prepare to leave, take time to bid farewell to family and friends and make plans for staying connected, be it through online communication or the timeless charm of postcard exchanges. Explore the local culture. To truly make the most of your international relocation, immerse yourself in the local culture. Understanding the unique customs, traditions, and norms of your new home is a rewarding experience. Developing relationships with the local population can be greatly aided by learning fundamental words and expressions, such as courteous greetings. Do not miss the chance to try the local food, go to cultural events, and get involved with the community. This will help you fully accept and value your new cultural surroundings. Communication and staying connected. In today's interconnected world, staying in touch is essential. Discover the best mobile and internet service providers in your new country to ensure seamless communication with loved ones back home and manage your work and leisure activities effectively. Additionally, acquaint yourself with local transportation options, food delivery services, and event apps, as well as the postal system for sending and receiving mail and packages. Travel and transportation. Discover new places by learning about the public transit system in your area, which includes buses, trains, and other interesting ways to get around. If you plan to drive, research local driving requirements, including the need for an international driver's license. Take advantage of your new location by going on short trips around the area. These trips will help you discover the beauty of your new home, from peaceful natural areas to busy markets. Security and safety. Prioritizing your safety is paramount. Locate your home country's consulate or embassy and commit local emergency contact numbers to memory. To get around easily in your new place, learn about the rules and customs of the area. This will help you avoid making mistakes by accident. Talk to both locals and other expats to get a sense of how safe and secure your new neighborhood is. Managing emotions. Moving abroad is a transformative journey that can evoke a whirlwind of emotions, from the excitement of new beginnings to the challenges of adapting to a foreign culture. Seek emotional support and companionship through local expat groups and communities, where you can forge unexpected and enriching friendships. Stay connected with loved ones back home. They will serve as a comforting anchor in your journey, reminding you of your progress and personal growth. Exploring hobbies and culture. Your international relocation offers an opportunity to discover new hobbies and activities that ignite your passion. Whether it's enrolling in dance classes, trying your hand at pottery, or joining a local book club, there are endless possibilities. Immerse yourself in the local culinary scene, savoring everything from fine dining establishments to delectable street food that will tantalize your taste buds. Maintaining a fitness routine is also essential, and you can achieve this by exploring yoga studios, parks, and local gyms, helping you establish a sense of normalcy in your new environment. Reflecting on your journey. Capture the essence of your adventure by keeping a journal, a treasured record of your experiences and emotions. Share your remarkable journey with others through social media, vlogs, or blogs, not only enriching your own experience, but also inspiring and connecting with people around the world. To navigate potential feelings of being overwhelmed, practice quiet reflection, meditation, and mindfulness, which will help you stay grounded during challenging moments. Navigating legal matters. Acquaint yourself with the legal landscape of your new country, encompassing employment laws and regulations that may impact your life. If you're contemplating renting or purchasing property, it's essential to understand local tenancy and property laws. Should you plan to bring or acquire a vehicle, educate yourself about car registration and other vital requirements for driving legally and safely in your new community. Prioritizing sustainability and the environment. Play an active role in contributing positively to your new community by understanding local recycling protocols and waste management procedures. Support eco-friendly practices by researching your new country's sustainable initiatives, such as using public transportation and shopping locally. Stay informed about regional environmental concerns and consider how you can make a positive impact in addressing them. International relocation is a profound transformation that extends beyond changing your address. It encompasses various facets, impacting both your professional and personal life. The detailed video we're giving you today is your ultimate help and was carefully put together to make sure you have a smooth start to your amazing trip abroad. Travel safely, discover the extraordinary experiences that lie ahead, and relish the adventure of your new life in a foreign land. Here's to your exciting future.